G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
We're just going to go through a basic jab in this class, and the simplest way to do that is the jab usually just means your lead hand. So if my left foot's forward, my jab is my front hand. If my right foot forward, my jab is still my front hand. So that's how we work out our jab. Now to start off with this, our hands are up, our elbows are in, and we just throw our left hand straight out. Now as it comes out, I want to make sure that my chin is buried behind my shoulder, my arm is not locked out, I never want to lock it out, and with my hand, I have it whatever's comfortable. So if upright is comfortable, that's how I have it. If down is comfortable, it probably won't be, but that's how you have it. But whatever you hold your hand out, if you're pointing at something, is about the angle I want my fist. So that's how we work it out. Or if you're doing open hand, it's the same principle. That's the angle of your wrist. So our hands are up, elbows are in, and I just throw my hand out, bury my chin, look through my eyebrows so I'm safe, and that's just our jab from there. My other hand stays right in front of my face, look through my fingers, and that's my jab. You can throw a little bit of a shuffle on the forward to get a little bit more penetration and drive. But that's how we do our jab. Also, you want to rotate to a degree where your right shoulder doesn't go back and he can see it from the other side. That's too far. But if I don't go far enough, I then don't set up my cross because I'm lacking the drive and the rotation. So I jab and rotate until it's nearly at the back, as far back as it can go comfortably, and then we're ready for our next one. Jab, 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 straight forward and pretty easy. Both our feet are facing the front. I don't want to turn my feet to the back. I want to point them in the direction that I'm traveling. And I'm traveling forward, so my feet point forward.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.